Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to teach you guys how to get client email. Like, you can use the email in many ways. Maybe you want to flash the client email for any, please, I don't want to talk too much because of YouTube policy. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how to generate client email, active client email. The purpose of this video is that so that if you get the tools that maybe you want to ask people wallet, I'm talking about their crypto wallet, you can use this method to get email. There's a tool right now that is available for hacking people's wallet through email. You just send them email. The email will be like suspicious email, like someone is trying to hack their wallet. If you watch my last video, you understand what I mean. That video I talk about how you can use email flasher to hack people wallet. That is the same process. So this is how to get email. If you want to do that, maybe you want to use it to hack people wallet, this is how to get email, or for many reasons. So I'll be guiding you guys through the process. Now, firstly, see these three websites. I'll drop the link in the description. So let's get started. Firstly, head over to this first site. I'll copy the link and go to my Chrome browser, paste it. This is the website. What you do here is simple. You just choose any country, maybe, I don't know, but for the purpose of this video I'll be choosing United States. You can choose any country that you want to target. So the job title, you can choose any job title, banker, any job title that you know. You can go to ChatGPT and search for any top jobs that you know that these people are earning good money. So let me just use this retail general manager as an example. So location or keywords to include, that is, I'll use CA. I use one of United States city. So I'll choose CA as the location or keywords, blah blah blah. So CA means California. So let's just continue. You don't need to fill the remaining parts. Just click on find the right people on the list. After clicking that, there will be a link that will be generated for you. This link now, you copy it, head over to this second site. Let me show you this second site. Now you head over to it, you copy the link, go back to your Chrome browser. Okay, let me just choose another tab for this. Just paste the link there. Let's wait for it to load. This is how it is. Okay, well, this is my recent search I already do before. So let me show you guys how to do it. So you copy this URL, you copy it. After copying, go back to that second website, paste it. After pasting the URL, you can see it. So this part, make sure you follow the process very well. This part, you will need to clear this. You clear it, reach that.com. After you reach that.com, just stop, and here now you just space, just one space, and you use that symbol, press at Gmail. You can use at Yahoo Mail, at different domain mail can use. So let me just at gmail.com. So, and you put back the symbol at the end. So once you are done with that, we copy all this. You can just head over to the browser and paste the link, search it. Okay, and now let's continue. I'm having a bad network, so this is how it is. The thing has load, so this is how you just copy it, copy all this. Don't press select all. Of you press select all, you may not see copy button. Scroll up again, copy, scroll up again, copy, scroll up. Just make sure you are copying like this. Okay, once you reach here, just copy it. Now head over to the third site. Head over to the third site. Let me copy the link. It's the third site. Copy it. Go over to your browser. Paste it here. Okay. Okay, this is the third site now. So the thing you copied in that previous web, all those things you copy, just head over here and paste it. Once you paste it, you see this place, you change it to new line. Start changing it to new line, you press your extract. You see, once you press on extract, you can see I'm having 4 Gmail. This client Gmail active people. So this email now you can flash them, try to hack their wallet. Let me just search for one of it to confirm. You see it here. I want to use one of my email that I create. So let me just write compose. Okay, let me click on compose. Place the Gmail. After you place the Gmail, you can see it. You can see this is a web person. You can see it. So you can do anything you want. You can flash him. You can do anything. Maybe if your head day, you can just see maybe fall for him. So that's why you just generate all those email. Can be trying in different countries, different job title. So keep trying. Can jam someone that has money in his wallet, and you can just do whatever you want to do. Please, this is for educational purposes. You may be wondering how did they get my email? How did they do this? How did that? This online space, these are some hackers are getting emails. They'll just generate. They'll see that. They'll just get you through internet, because internet is a big space. So this is how it works. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates, tutorial. Make sure you turn on the notification bell too, so that you don't miss any updates that I drop. Thank you.